Adia yede eye ho aduro. Adia yede say ho yare eboa yen say de esi de ne yagya da bi. Problems e wo ho papa. Problems e okrom e doso. If you panifo so ade besi youth no so problems no doso. Enti yagya ya enye ye. My miracle. Naja yedi bronya wie na ese ehwe na enema tototo na kwam kakra kakra. Eti enei ena abrewa yipuma okwan mu. Eti a che se ekwan mu ada say ye share confessions I say for the year 2020. Eti baby a obi a me ma good afternoon. I me say Emma welcome special one pa. At about Ofie Kwanso media so adom 106.3 FM. You're from me Jerry Justice. We Papa Bills were African one. Mary so ha. You know try free sabre copy me say bebo enwumre. No nsia. And until semre cry. You be activate phone lines no. Na and then so no. Yeah share confessions I say. Wow what problem bia o pese. Yeah boa na utimi fix our problem no find a solution to that problem no. No abomodea e de asem na bedan ye. Asem ba ko na ya metaika. Me say nyame enam counselor Oscar SIRIPI eso. You better find a solution to that problem of yours. Yes. Enti edu Tuesdays say na also say confessions are we mean business na a serious business. We don't joke. It's your activate phone lines now. Say them type no. If you don't have any problem, do not call. Uni your hobby me pacho o de da. Na bi radio ne den say dem be borua wasum. Na etie amanfo o hawa hodo mo de ba. Na se ebre ni duru. Na counselor eyi ano na o ma akwankyere kwan ye se fa so. Na yetimi solve such problems. And if you crack kwan betimi afa so no wa avoid these problems now. Na watie self futu no e de ato kotodwem. Na ochina bi says how ndi bi ekotowa. Ohun kwan ya wo de be fa so. Itu ni problem am friend. Na em akwanya no ma omo a adeso bi ebu amkon. Adwindwin bi amomo anya kodan na. Enei ayem atete. Now to me say unipa no ofon. What yasinsu awu. Because problem bi a wo famu no. Ohunu de wonye no. But there's one thing I am a taker. It is that sometimes the problem that you are going through that you think say it is so huge say where the baby do them say hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
At the same.
I'm at the mall, but I'm not sorry.
Miss Moya, I'm official. I
think I'm at the office. Yes,
amen. All right, man, both didn't share any baby. I can say, what's the one that I'm not can't not said it here.
Surgery, Pacho. Many boy been a war. We are dating for 5 years. Nice a boy in the wall. Or you're carrying no more right. And so one friend now, on throw.
And one of your problem.
Pacho.
We are.
Pacho.
Says a one floor boyfriend on the on floor down.
And I beg you say, I'm not a serious issue. We are some of the other throw.
And I say, only no more dating for how long?
5 years.
5 years.
Pacho.
Now, wow, shot there now, more young boy, I don't say, is it geared towards getting married or senator?
Oh, only like why you read moments to me, my views for me, age my the same coming age my answer.
Open so yet, maybe answer.
Coming age my, on the age more right. Maybe my views for me age my
you are to ask him why.
Yeah.
Next call, hello.
Good afternoon, Roger.
Afternoon, boss. At the same.
Yamia Domo now, sorry.
Miss Muyepa, Fisher Pa.
I will come back to you.
Okay.
Roger, na me pakunya se me fre wate. Na MSAP ya mafu. Na anything since 2005. Na me tie one of Momo former radio presenter bi. Na comment kakra o ma no. Ma me so na ono o trete na formally or matabeti
me bacha o problem na nkasa pa na ni say because former will be there what can I say
problem na say me wo matabeti problem.
Okay enko feda enye say me catch off masturbation issue no na no ada any counselor kan ho asem na ya shed bitino pa ya internet no so yes a man for obi a mukoti but yes san hwe the way a ekeka bana no we are looking at say be hwe another day bi na ya san agbawura some masturbation issue no mu bi mpa na ya hu ba bi e de be kwa akosi ntimpacho o de ekoso anetie yen na ebre no duru a ye be bon dawuru na ya hyeda ama manfo aso ate na ye hu da ko a ye be kasa masturbation ho asem why
automatic.
Okay. That's it.
I'm a doctor.
Yen fast da manya me. Yen to aso na yen fa ofre for I would deal na I dream was masturbation because then you get people to call and say how. Hello,
Roger.
yes madam. At the same
Good. Nana Adumo, what's that?
Miss Muyepa, me pacho I am Ofie Kwanso.
I don't come home.
Nice. Yetiwe.
There was a big problem. Now the problem is my mistake be my worry. Now I did be the jam me home. Only me I did do. Now the 2 months and any. What sad and not a honey ma. And ya bear say 3 weeks in no. And say me ko check HIV ashe. Me ko check him. I'm TV but then me yale pe. Na sa de na be si me tirim. Kata me kan try me kuno. Me suro. Aka che.
Me pacho. Hello.
Yes.
Me obetimi asan hye asem na si bi mu aman.
Yo, me say. My worry. Na my big mistake be.
Then no dey mistake na ye na ntina mpese o san hye asem.
But be.
Why?
I say. Na me ne free, but nko di mu no me kan so my worry. Also my worry on don force here. On force oba eni mi je bibia. The way on no kasa me so eni papa. Nti one time bi na me say me home family. So friend me. I'm sure me home family. No so member na on so mama na me see baby. No so member the way kasa na me call.
Enti we time nti yen ntiatia mti ono die.
Me ba cho ai. Me ni ba me ho so na yes ade nti me wo no. Me wo no.
Wani ba ho so na all start no wan hu.
There me do one of family na no ho sent be sorry or a Muslim. of farming, none of who sent in guys and a Jimmy Bisa. But many bam who's no young to me war no para or see, I don't know my one, sir. Not no so no, I know we mean him into not no harbor. Then you go for your pie, yeah. Let me sorry and me too no dimage. And my name dimage and pass idea.
And you want to die how many times?
My copper. I shall be the name same pen about them, papa. The mean you. And so more than and same and I'm a coyer, test no see the anymore. Me alipana adene de sin nti one time ni
me bawo yen hwe de ntia na bibia about team no on no die unprotected one share condom
me ba cho ai
e na echi no enu nti no yam hyehye na akoye test
me ba cho ai
but akoye no yesi wunya ahwe
me ba cho ai
nti afede biem na asese wo ho na yam hyehye no
me suro
usuro se e bia na wa ma yare
me ba cho ai
ba se wo call hospital so yesi yare bi ani ho
na me bisa obi almost say I don't know a be show a be take some years.
Okay me ba o anya bia guy no what to say yare bi wo no what to say bi o yare bi ntina ma usuro no
me ba cho da bi o
ene yisuro ni fi mu na etwen a bi after 6 months next time koye test ni bi why. Now when Edibe how long ever since I on no die forcefully
I cover 2 years in
be 2 years ni and ade egu so hantel
never join.
So last time now we test no was when
on me ya sad na be say 3 weeks time
or no year we and be 3 weeks time now ko test no
never join.
And as I say almost 2 years near on no die enti sign ko test ni bim just to be sure. Usuro so okoye I want to be here counseling kakra ho no counselor beba mu on side why na wa shon cry say be with me ahead it is say
started stand mpono na me mami kun on me ye bi me so use kodo on say me koye side na o mo si bibie ne mo na me jaye
enti say ya we jai ya ukunu so aron 2 years abede de why kra kan enkan enti no say na bibi anka aye na wi say ukunu so ne ho oden hwe nto no
baby ono I say ya na think even o asma ni
unim nyakukudro de mema counselor no akasa but still ni nyakukudro na eye test no just to be sure say the bear because sometimes enipa ya adwin ade a ya gitumu ya adwin no etimi nya infection na so
no kwa na be say me nkomi ho
oh there be me pacho enru sa mpempen so no me ndwin sa adwin enti na me pese utimi ye test no said the bear o confidence no be gain in the back because they say na ese wo no wan kasa kwa ni gidie e wo mu enti e ba sa
me yare
esa yare kituo bi ade kituo bi pe na wa dwen sa adwen na bo say de ni okra na ya why
me ba shey
to the consultant na be ma counselor bam na ya hwe kwan de be fa so
me ba shey me da